This day is going to be epic. I know for sure. I have a gut feeling. Because Aoling Festival is celebrated in a grand fashion at Longwa village. We could see that from all the preparations that were being done right from the morning. So stay with us till the end of this video to witness the grand celebration of Aoling Festival at Longwa. It is no less than the illustrious Hornbill Festival. Aoling Festival celebrations are to be held at the playground right in front of the Longwa Church starting at about 11 am. So now we have a lot of time. Let's explore Longwa.
The border is crossed from the middle of this roof, the house. Half of the house is in Myanmar and another half is in India. Welcome to Longwa.
Longwa village is India's last village, and for the Myanmar also, it is Myanmar's last village. So this is a border pillar. We have a border stone here. This side is India, and if we step 1 to 3 steps, this is Burma, Myanmar. So this side it is written there in Hindi. On the other side it is written there in Burmese. So the border was divided in the year 1973 to 71. Gentlemen, boys and girls, let's meet one of the headhunters in our village. He is the youngest headhunter in our village. He's about 68 years now. His name is Ahon. Hongo, yeah. Hongo.
Hong Kong Lo Ma Yong Kai Dong Mo Lo Ma Yong Kai Dong Mo O Chu Te Chu Da Ku Me Wan Chen Bai Ya Chu Te Chu Da Ku Me Wan Chen Bai Ya Ku Ma Ku Ku Lang Wan Ku Yo Chu Da Da
Gentlemen, his name is Monyu. He is the one of the brave headhunter in our village. He is 91 years now. He is 81 years now. He is the oldest headhunter in Longwa village. Yeah.
O Chu Te Chu Da Ku Me Wan Chen Bai Ya Lu Lo Gu Gu Lang Wan Gu Liu Chu Da Da Mong Quan Lo Ma Yong Kai Dong Mo
So right now we're waiting for the main festival to start. Just behind me, people are all dressed up looking very beautiful.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, This is we are starting a program of Aoleang. Aoleang means after sowing the seeds on our fields, we usually ask a blessing from God for the better crops in our fields. That's the meaning of Aoleang. So we have basically we have two festivals. We have Aoling festivals and we have harvest festivals. And harvest festival celebrated on September. Aoling festivals is celebrated on April. That's it.
Konyak, Sheanghah Chingnyu,
Okay, so this was the end of the Aoling Festival here at Longwa. People are all happy now, making merry, having fun. So, goodbye and see you next year again. Please give us a thumbs up if you like this video and let me know your thoughts in comments below. Do not miss our next video on all the amazingly interesting things that you can do at Longwa. So please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Until then, goodbye and see you next week.